Hello and welcome. My name is JB, and today I present you the Siemens Industrial Edge Own device. The Industrial Edge Own device allows you to take any hardware that you have available that complies with the minimum requirements and convert it into a full-fledged Siemens Industrial Edge device. The installation and procurement process is very easy. You just go to the Siemens marketplace and procure a license of the Siemens Industrial Edge Own device. You will get an image and you burn the image on the USB stick. If you boot from the USB stick, soonish the application will greet you with a validation report. The validation report shows you exactly which of the features are supported. We are supporting secure boot, hard disk encryption, and a watchdog that allows you automatically to reset the device in case of a malfunction. The installation process is quite easy and supported by a small UI. Choose Continue to start the installation. Now press Install to start the installation process. Choose the drive that you want to install and acknowledge that data will be erased. Before the actual installation starts, you can select and choose if you want to include a watchdog as well. The watchdog function will reset and reboot the device in case of a malfunction automatically. Now the installation starts, and depending on the hardware, the installation time will take more or less. At the end of the installation, you will get a small pop-up box indicating that the installation is finished. Please leave the USB stick in the device for a moment and accept and acknowledge the installation. The device will shut down and you can remove the USB stick. Boot the device up and it's a full-fledged Siemens Industrial Edge Own device. Enjoy the product and thank you very much.